Hello traders, Mr. Golden is on the line, and today we're going to talk about patterns in trading. As you know, patterns are a part of technical analysis of the chart and the market. Patterns are certain regularities formed by the price that can be repeated over time. Let's switch to the TradingView platform so I can show you an example. Let's take, for example, any pair, such as Euro, USD. Let me demonstrate how it will look like. I use only one pattern in trading, and it's called a flag. This is what it looks like, for example, for longs. We have a long impulse, after which the price shows us this consolidation pullback. After that, we have it. This is a breakout of the upper line of this pullback, retesting and continuation of the long direction. For the short side, it will look like this. The price gives a strong short impulse, after which we have this consolidation pullback. In order to rebalance the insignificant impulse, followed by another impulse that breaks through the lower edge of this pullback, retesting, and the continuation of the short position. Let's try to find this pattern on the graph, and I will demonstrate how it works for me. Let's choose a currency pair. I usually look for this pattern on the 1 minute, 5 minute, and 15 minute time frames. Let's move on to the 5 minute time frame, since this pattern is extremely common on this time frame. And let's look at the assets. For example, let's open AUDJPY. The 5 minute time frame. As you can see, this asset is moving in a long direction, which emphasizes that this pattern, most likely to be formed here, continues the long movement of the trend. This pattern is best used when following a trend, which means that it is more likely to work out. We see that we had a strong long impulse, and then we are looking at a consolidation pullback to rebalance this impulse. And now we need to wait for the upper border to break through in order to enter a long position. So, like this. Yes, testing and long form. As you can see at the moment, the asset has not yet fully formed our pattern, but is only in the process of forming. So let's look at some more assets. Let's go back to Euro, USD for example. Here we are moving in the short direction on the 5 minute chart. Let's switch to the 1 minute time frame. I think the situation here will be more interesting. In other words, we are probably forming this pattern in the long direction, but it is also too early to talk about its formation. Okay, let's find some more accurate picture to open a position with a higher probability of working out. So, let's go through the assets. By the way, we have a long order flow here. In the long direction, pull back to fire value gap 5 minutes, where we can hope for a continuation of the long scenario. Let's move on to the 1 minute graph. All right. On the 1 minute graph, maybe we'll turn on a 3 minute one. Let's see which one can demonstrate a better example. Okay, let it be a 1 minute. As you can see, we have this long impulse. I'll mark it on the side with a line like this. After that, we have this pullback, gradual, in order to achieve a given fire value gap, from which we get a long-lasting reaction. So now our task is to wait for, let's say, a breakout of this level. It means going beyond the level formed by these two candles, and then we will take an entry for the continuation of the long order flow. This is how it looks like. So here we have the lower edge of the pattern. Let's use a better tool, which is right here. This will greatly simplify our lives. Let's call it like this. Here. It is the parallel channel. Let's mark this channel on our chart. This is how it looks like. Let's extend it. As we can see, we have made a breakthrough. Let's get into position. Let's open the pocket option platform and choose the USD-JPY currency pair. The profitability is 89%. The amount is 3% of the deposit. The execution time is 6 minutes. I use from 5 to 10 minutes to complete this pattern. We enter the long position. Let's wait until the end of the scenario. Guys, I remind you that the most active of you will get the opportunity to join a live trading session with me personally. So don't hesitate to leave your questions and suggestions in the comments below this video. There are 20 seconds left until the end of the practice at this position. As you can see, in combination with the long trend, this position works just fine. And there are 3 seconds left. As you can see, this pattern works and easily brings me profit. Let's switch back to TradingView. As you can see, there was a pullback. Here was a breakout of the upper range of the flag, retesting the upper part, and a strong long impulse as a result. So that's it, friends. See you in the next class. By the way, we also have a Telegram channel where you'll find a lot of valuable information regarding trading. Through this channel, we provide access to our tools, the Golden Bot powered by AI, which delivers 50 to 100 signals per day with an accuracy of approximately 80% plus. A VIP channel where you'll not only receive signals but also detailed analysis of each trade, along with exclusive educational materials. Additionally, we have a premium channel where our core team offers support to help individuals become independent, successful traders. If you prefer not to learn or trade yourself, you can join copy trading and automatically copy our trades. In general, you'll find useful content, and we regularly hold contests and tournaments for our most active subscribers. Subscribe to our Telegram channel, and we wish you good luck and profit.